how to recover deleted emails on your Gmail account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can recover deleted emails on your Gmail account. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your inbox on your Gmail. You can open it up on your PC or your mobile phone. It looks the same. So once you have opened up your inbox, now let's say that you have accidentally deleted some emails and now you're confused at how to recover them. This video is for you then. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and select few emails first and I'm gonna actually delete them. There you go. So now I will recover them. How to recover? You will simply get all of these options right here. Click on more, scroll down, and you will find this option right here, your bin. In bin we have all of our deleted emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the emails I want to recover. Let's say that I want to recover these. Then you will find this option right here, which is move to. Click on move to, and in here I can move these emails to any of my folders such as my inbox. So I will simply click on inbox, and now these emails will be transferred to my inbox again. You can see right here they have been recovered. So I recovered these emails from my bin to my inbox again, and this is how you can simply go ahead and recover emails on your Gmail account. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.